With COVID-19 cases surging in Karnataka, genome sequencing tests conducted in the state show that the Omicron variant is still dominating in the state. In this regard, Karnataka Health Minister Dr. K Sudhakar tweeted on Wednesday stating that most people with COVID-19 symptoms are infected by the BA.2 subvariant of the Omicron variant of novel coronavirus. According to him, amongst the Omicron variants, currently BA 1.1529 and BA1 have dipped to 8.60% and 0.0% respectively. However, BA2 sublineage has increased from 80.60% to 89.40% since May, the minister tweeted. The data shared by him shows that last year from March to December, Delta and its sublineages dominated, but this year Omicron was the dominant variant of the novel coronavirus. The state had on Tuesday reported 738 fresh cases, while on Monday there were 530 new infections. There were, however, 0 fatalities on both days. According to the health officials, the latest surge in cases is due to Omicron, which is not a deadly variant as compared to Delta, which wreaked havoc in 2021.